I think it's fair to say that the whole retail experience is changing as we speak. Consumers are moving seamlessly between online and offline shopping opportunities. And whilst the growth in online retailing has clearly had an impact in the high street, I think we're finding that the relationship between the online world and the offline world is far more complex than we ever thought it would be. I think there will be changes in technology also that will advance this development. And the one that comes to mind for me is e-wallets. Once e-wallets become part of the mobile phone infrastructure, then it gives the consumer the opportunity to pay for items wherever they are, sitting on a train, in a store, at home in front of the PC, or indeed in front of the television. So it really does broaden what the consumer can do, and increasingly the consumers growing their control of what they do with merchants and the buying experience. So what this all means really is that consumers are expecting this seamless interaction, and within First Data we call this universal commerce. And universal commerce is having everything in one experience, from the marketing through to the sale of the product. First Data takes this aspect really seriously. We do take the view that merchants and others need to build collaboratively infrastructure with other partners to create this environment where this seamless experience occurs for consumers. And First Data can play a key role in this, to an extent whereby First Data have developed an innovation centre in our head office in Atlanta. And this is all about bringing merchants, consumers, partners and sales channels together, and to talk about universal concept and what it means for retail in the future. And through those discussions, develop products and value-added services that will appeal to consumers. So it's very clear to me that First Data will play a really important role in this process, and we're very excited about the collaborative aspects of this and bringing all the important parties together. Okay, for 2013 I'll name two. I can't get as far as five, but there are two key ones that really come into mind for me. We've talked about it already. The main one for me is the mobile device. So for the consumer, this is a mobile phone or it's a tablet device, and for the merchant, it is a tablet point of sale. We're already seeing some merchants move from the standard point of sale into a tablet point of sale, and with the appropriate applications, this can really open up the interaction between the merchant and the consumer and enable the merchants to add value-added services and loyalty at the point of service that we simply haven't seen before. The other innovation, the other product that I think could bring some real value this year is an increase in the usage of NFC, contactless. CardNet, which is the business that I'm involved in within First Data, were the card acquirers behind the London Olympics that happened last year. Now, Visa targeted those games as being cashless games, and as part of that, they made a very big play in terms of contactless and NFC payments at the point of sale. I think there's more that can be done in that area. So I think if that was focused on also in 2013, that would make quite a difference to our industry.